More than you, we have the anxiety. If at all we conduct the examination, how you people are going to travel, you are going to write. You leave about our friends who are telling that we can, please don't cancel the examination. We are worried about even those who are in the same place at home, how they will travel and reach and do social distancing in writing the examination if we conduct in July also. Not only that, those who are going to travel for hours or kilometers, stay in some other place and write, we are worried about that 3 hours you are going to spend in the examination hall with the social distancing. Whether the college authorities, the school authorities, the centers in charge, whether they are ready to do it. So many things are there. So we are taking stock of things, and as and when we feel that some announcement should be made, yes, the institute will come with the proper notification. So for the time being, please don't worry. Please take care of yourself. This is my humble request. I know your anxiety. Many of my dearest student friends are writing, Papan sir, please reply, please reply. Once something I reply, or the reply which may be happy for them or not happy, they are happy that they are getting reply from me. But more than this, about the future, what I can tell? About the past, at least I can remember something and share with you. The present I can share. The future I also cannot share, na? Right? So be rest assured, the institute is very much with you. And because of this pandemic, I have got more and more new student friends. I am telling you. I can understand the anxiety, which we never had when we were students this much. We were only worried about how we will write the examination, how to come out successful, and what questions will be asked. But now, apart from all these things, you have an extra thinking. It is nothing wrong. It happens. If I were a student, I would have written more than you people have written to the institute requesting us to guide me, please answer like that. I agree to that. You are all so humble and very simple students, children. I can understand. You are at times you are writing in public, at times we can understand your anxiety. But whenever institute is putting any program or anything in Twitter or some other places, immediately don't reply to that asking that question. You are already asking personalized question. You can write to the help desk, you can write to us, you can chat with us, you can call us. My one suggestion, of course, if you feel so, you continue doing whatever you want, but however still it won't look nice, na? When institute program or webinar or some other announcements are made by the institute by their Twitter handle or my personal Twitter handle, immediately instead of acknowledging that particular message, we know your anxiety. I agree. Even if I were in your position, I would have written more also. But still, again I am repeating, again I am requesting all the 3 institutes, whether it is Company Secretaries of India, whether it is the Chartered Accountant Institute of India or our Cost Accountants Institute, I am assuring you, all are with you. I can never find even a single elected representative or faculty members or for that matter the officials of the institute who are not having any concern for you. No, everybody are talking about this matter only. So rest assured, when time comes, you will get the proper notification. As of now, it is too early to tell because we are taking stock of situation. All are doing that. Please don't worry. This is my humble request. Your Papan Bhai's request. Still, whenever you feel that you are little bit of, you write to me. You can send personalized messages also. But let us, if possible, my suggestion, when institute or somebody is putting some other tweet, immediately don't have a feeling that by putting your message there, then only these people will see. No. Otherwise also we are there. And regarding the examination, the change of center, even now we are helping. Na? Though whoever has applied and have some genuine reason, we are helping. Na? We are permitting for one more group. Na? So what more you want? Though cut-off date and other things were told, like 31st May, still we are doing. Even today morning I got one request from one of the students for change of center, and our officials examination department, they are taking care. The secretary of the institute is taking care. The president is very much concerned about that. Vice president is very much, he being the chairman of TNDF, he is also concerned about that. All the council colleagues for that matter, they are in touch with many of the students from their places. Only because I am coming frequently, today also I have come. I am taking little bit extra time today repeating the same thing. However, still I feel very happy to address you like this because you should have some communication from our side officially. It is not that बातें करते चलते हैं कुछ नहीं करता, ऐसा नहीं है. That is also your anxiety. We are not here only for talking. We know how to walk the talk also. At the appropriate time, every time we have come with the notification, na, President has ensured, na, the Secretary has ensured, na, it is coming. Na. So for July examination also, and those who are very much telling that, sir, don't cancel the examination. Yes, we are also not interested in cancelling the examination. However, taking stock of the situation, if need be, we may have to postpone again. We may have to, not the question of cancelling, we may have to postpone also. We don't know. So as of now, July, all the three institutes will be going ahead with the examination. As of now. If need be, definitely, because students of our costing institute is not our own students, you are doing the other courses also, we are aware. All the three institute president, their elected representatives, everybody are with the students. I am assuring you. You may ask, how do you know about other institute? I know how much concern they also have for the students like we have. Nobody is having the thrill of saying that okay, let them do whatever they want. ऐसा नहीं है. सब लोग एक साथ इस पर्टिकुलर एस्पेक्ट में सब लोग का एक ही फोकस्ड अप्रोच है कि take care of the students, their concern, their anxiety, and we will never let you down. This is my humble submission, your Papan Bhai submission. Yes, break the chain. Again I am telling you, keep social distancing, break the chain, but not the relationship. Okay, please be safe, please be blessed, and as part of your enjoyment of so many other activities, please enjoy studying also. If possible, do more new online courses, enrich your knowledge, or try to attend the online classes, webinars, webinars organized by all the three institutes. Learn more, so that, who knows, all this learning with enjoyment will come to a great help as a tool for your successful career in life. Right? आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा बोल दिया. I have told some extra because I am so much worried about so many calls, so many messages, so many tweets, so many direct calls, direct messages coming through Twitter, WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, personal messages, SMS, calls by the parents, calls by the faculty members also. Many are calling. So don't worry.